Check it out, guys. New paper airplane, new design, and it plays very well. Amazing. Take a look at this. Hey. Ooh. Wow. Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple paper airplane. This plane flies very well indoor, but it's not a long distance plane. Don't test it outdoor, you will be disappointed. So, to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you don't have your letter size paper, use A4 paper and you will be able to make the plane as well. And now let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half vertically. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Unfold the paper. And now fold the paper in half vertically. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Here we go. Now unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from this upper edge. Fold both sides of this edge to the center crease. Make sure that all edges are lined up perfectly. Alright, same thing for the other side. Let's look nice. Now let's start from this tip for straight to this side. Straight out. Let's start the paper airplane again, or the paper again. Okay. On the following step, let's turn the paper like this. Let's start from this upper edge, fold both sides toward the center crease. Right. Press down the paper as well. Press it down. Press it down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Perfect. Make sure that you leave a super small gap between the two edges. Press it down. Press it down. Alright. Press it down. That's perfect. Now unfold the paper again. Right. Press it down too. Now you see this upper layer. I fold this upper layer toward the other side and press it down. And as you can see the crease here, I push it. While I push this crease out, I know that there's a small piece. A small part here that I need to push out, so I push this out. Alright, so now I just finished one side. I can fold this side back. I can repeat the same fold for this side. I fold straight up this upper layer, fold up, 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 and adjust this size of the paper, and I press this crease down. When I press this crease down, I can press this size of the paper down as well. So this is what I have. Perfect. Now for this layer back to the other side, and you can see this pointy part, just push it in for toward the inside to hold both sides of the paper together. So press it down like this. Alright, so when I fold it inward, I can hold both sides of the paper together. I can press this down. Now I'll start from the upper edge. I'll push down a little bit. This is an optional step, but let's do it. Alright, so press this down. It's about 1/4 of an inch. And at the end, I'll push straight like this. You can see that. I repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from this side. I push toward the center crease. It's just a small piece of the paper, so it's hard. Alright, so I now have a pointy head again, but it's look much nicer than before. By doing this, the plane will fly. The plane will fly much better. Now, let me hold the paper airplane up. I'm so hurried to finish the plane, guys. So this is about 2 inches along this edge. Hold the paper airplane right here. Oh, again. Fold the paper right there, and then using that finger to push it down. Alright, push it out, push it out. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Push it out, okay. Until it's almost reach to the corner. You can see this corner, so almost right there. Press the paper down. Perfect. I will make sure that both sides of the paper are even. I press the step. Alright. It's okay. This part now pop up, but we can adjust it later. Alright guys? So when I finish this side, I will fix this for the other side as well. So I fix it, and I press this up. I adjust it. Here we go. So this is what we have, guys. It's look amazing, right? Now I start from this tip and fold it straight to this point, but leave a gap about half an inch, but too long. So it's about a quarter of an inch along this edge. So for this size up, for this size up, okay. Now we adjust the paper just a little bit, and I press the paper down. Here we go. So this is what I have, right? Now this one I need to adjust it as well, because when I fold this side, the upper layer doesn't display correctly, so I adjust it. Here we go. Done with this side. Let's flip the paper over. Do the same thing for the other side, okay? So for this size up, this size up. Perfect. So for this size up already, press down. Let's see what we have. Look at this, guys. So we have a very nice shape of a steel fighter already. Look, this part of the paper, this upper part, let's fold up. Along this side, this is about half an inch. Let's fold toward the body of the plant. Okay, very simple. Don't fold too much, okay? If you do too much, it will look super ugly. So half an inch would be perfect along this size. If you don't want half an inch, almost half an inch should work as well. So don't fold too much. Same thing for this side. Let's match it. All right. So let's do it just a little bit. Now you have this part. You have this the upper lace. You have this upper stabilizers. All right. So I call it the stabilizers. This look amazing already. Now with fly well, this is tricky, and if you just stop from here, the plant won't fly well at all. Let's move to the next step. At the very end, let's fold down to create the stabilizer again. So this is downward stabilizer. Alright, let's finish this side as well. Almost done. So just fold down just a little bit. Here we go. So it's really good. We have stabilizer almost done. This side and this side. And at the end, I'll fold straight up. Look at this, how I fold it. So I use my index fingers and I adjust this and I push. Look, I push this up and I push both sides to the center crease. To the center crease. Just a little bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more. Now I have this size, and let me turn this over. You can see this. I will adjust it, adjust for the tour, press it down. Now I have the handle of the plant, right? I have stabilizer on the back. I have stabilizer on the top. I will adjust the one on the top, and I'll adjust the one on the back. The one on the back will have balance out the one on the top. So let's fold up just a little bit like this. Okay, same thing here. Here, and now you can hold the paper airplane right here and throw the paper airplane. Yeah, it may not fly well at first. You may need to adjust that, but this is an awesome paper airplane, guys. Let's take a look at this. This looks very nice, right? Look at this like this. All right, so if you like this paper airplane, don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Oh, by the way, I have Facebook pages and I have Instagram. Follow these pages as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. This is so fun.